30-minute meal for busy parents to make a delicious island-style inspired dinner. In this video we will be making a Caribbean-inspired chicken stew with mushrooms and vegetables served over rice is a delicious idea. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. 30-minute meal for busy parents to make a delicious island-style inspired dinner. In this video we will be making a Caribbean-inspired chicken stew with mushrooms and vegetables served over rice is a delicious idea. Here's a simple recipe to help you achieve that. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients. For the chicken stew: 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken, cut into pieces, bone in for more flavor. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 bell pepper, chopped, any color. 1 cup mushrooms, sliced. 1 carrot, sliced. 1 zucchini, sliced. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1 can, 14 ounces, coconut milk. 1 cup chicken broth. 2 tablespoons Caribbean jerk seasoning, adjust to taste. 1 tablespoon of thyme. 2 tablespoons of Better Than Bouillon, chicken based. Salt and pepper to taste. For the rice: 2 cups long grain rice. 4 cups water. 1 teaspoon salt. Instructions: prepare the chicken. Season the chicken pieces with salt, pepper, and half of the Caribbean jerk seasoning. Heat oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Brown the chicken pieces on all sides. Remove and set aside. Sauté vegetables. In the same pot, add a bit more oil if needed. Sauté the onions and garlic until softened. Add bell pepper, mushrooms, carrot, and zucchini. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables start to soften. Combine ingredients. Pour in the diced tomatoes, coconut milk, and chicken broth. Stir well. Add the remaining Caribbean jerk seasoning, Better Than Bouillon, and thyme. Adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Add chicken back. Return the brown chicken pieces to the pot. Make sure they are submerged in the liquid. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for about 45 to 60 minutes or until the chicken is tender and cooked through. Prepare rice. While the stew is simmering, rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. In a separate pot, combine the rice, water, and salt. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and water is absorbed. Serve. Once the chicken is tender, taste the stew and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Serve the Caribbean chicken stew over the cooked rice. Garnish, optional. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley for a burst of freshness. Enjoy your delicious Caribbean-inspired chicken stew with mushrooms and vegetables over rice. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with #OscarIslandStyle on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island style.